Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Hey, thanks so much for checking out this video, and today we're going to learn to play Jolene by Dolly Parton. So if you have your uke and it's in tune to G, C, E, A, then let's jump into this tutorial together. Also, I want to mention that there's an exclusive chord chart available for this song, and you can find it in my ukulele songbook, which also contains charts for every song that I've taught through this channel. So check that out. The link is in the description. So there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play Jolene, and those chords are A minor, C major, and G major. If you already know those chords, then feel free to jump ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. And the last chord for the song is G major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, pause, up, down, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the A minor chord. 1, 2, A minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, pause, up, 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 down, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progressions for the song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is for the intro and the outro, and the second section is for the verses and the choruses. So the first section, which is for the intro and the outro, we're going to play A minor for 8 turns of the strumming pattern. Since we just demonstrated that in the strumming pattern exercise, let's move on to section 2, which is for the verses and the choruses, and we're going to play A minor for 1 turn of the strumming pattern, C major for 1 turn of the strumming pattern, G major for 1 turn, back to A minor for 2 turns, G major for 2 turns, and finally with A minor for 4 turns of the strumming pattern. Let's play that all together now. 1, 2, A minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, pause, C major, down, down, pause, G major, down, down, pause, A minor, down, down, pause, up, down, down, pause, G major, down, down, pause, up, down, down, pause, A minor, down, down, pause, up, down, down, pause, up, down, down, pause, up, down, pause, up, down, up. Let's play the chord progression with the strumming pattern a little bit faster now. 1, 2, A minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, down, pause, C major, down, down, pause, G major, down, down, pause, A minor, down, down, pause, up, down, pause, G major, down, down, pause, up, down, pause, A minor, down, down, pause, up, down, pause, up, down, pause, up, down, pause, up, down, up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Jolene. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You could have your choice of men, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you and whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take take him just because you can. Jolene, Jolene. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for Jolene. And that's You Play Jolene by Dolly Parton. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase my brand new signature uke, the TUC UCU. It's available for purchase worldwide, and if you want to get your hands on this model, then check out the link in my description box below. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You Can Uke community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free and it's available to all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.